Hello everyone, there's a new update in NanoBanana which is called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. Now you can change the aspect ratios officially using the NanoBanana from Google AI Studio, also from the Vertex AI. So these are the supported ratios that are landscape, square, portrait, and also there's a flexible. So now you have more control in your images to use the aspect ratios. Like I have already showed you some videos too that you can change the aspect ratio with uploading PNG or some tricks. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't work. But right now you can change the aspect ratio from the settings in NanoBanana. So if we go to Google Gemini and using the NanoBanana and also create a prompt and give the command aspect ratio to 16:9, but every time it gives a square like 3.4 or 1:1 portrait like ratio in the NanoBanana. But if you want to use the NanoBanana for free and also change the aspect ratios and have more control in your images, go to Google AI Studio and choose the NanoBanana of the new version. Like if you go to chat and choose the NanoBanana, and you can see in the right corner here you can choose aspect ratio from here. Like they have lots of aspect ratio right now and you can create freely any type of aspect ratio. Like if I go to my history and show you my chat, as you can see for this image, I have given the same prompt here without any aspect ratio, and I have chosen the aspect ratio 16:9, and this is the image that gave me. And after that you can edit further from this aspect ratio. It will not lose the aspect ratio. As you can see, remove the out from the background. As you can see, also make the to change the blue sky to blue, and also this is the thumbnail that you're clicking. If you're watching this video, maybe you click this thumbnail. Like I have created this thumbnail with NanoBanana, and this is the aspect ratio that I choose. So this is the new video that I want to share with you. This is the new update. Now we can full control of aspect ratio using the NanoBanana for free in Google AI Studio. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.